our automation solution can be customized to match each customer's need. RoboSync TypeD.
This greatly improves productivity per square meter. You can manually access the drawers from the opposite side of where the robot is working.
At the same time as a human and the robot. It's amazing. Hello, machinists. This is Takuro Kakeyama from Marketing Department. Today, I would like to introduce RoboSync we call TypeD. This is our new automation system, first introduced in Germany at EMO. So RoboSync is our new automation system. The name RoboSync comes from the idea of connecting robot, machine, and devices, and synchronizing them to create new value. So today, we would like to introduce RoboSync TypeD. So to walk us through the idea, we have invited Mr. Nakada. So please come.
Hello, machinists. I'm Kosuke Nakada. It's great to be here.
So thank you for joining us.
Yeah.
So first, I have a question. So what does the D in the TypeD stand for?
It actually comes from three words: drawer, docking, and dex, from dexterity. Dexterity means skillfulness. It represents the robot's ability to open drawers and change robot hands or chuck jaws with high precision.
Oh, I understand. It's interesting. So each D has a clear meaning. So, and dex comes from the dexterity, right?
Yeah.
I see.
Correct.
So, good to know. Could you give us a simple overview of RoboSync TypeD?
Yeah, sure. RoboSync TypeD combines a collaborative robot with a multi-level stalker. It can handle multiple setups, including chuck jaws. It has separate grippers for workpieces and jaws, and the stalker can hold multiple part types. So it is perfect for high-mix production.
So, it sounds like a multitasking automation, right?
Yeah.
So, our multitasking machines are great for the, of course, in high mix and volume production. And this system, and also, now, it's a fit perfectly.
Yeah.
So, I heard it has three main features on that RoboSync TypeD, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Correct. Yeah.
Could you tell me that?
Yeah.
Okay.
The first one is compact, and second one is flexibility, and third one is easy to use.
Oh, okay. Then let's start from compact.
Here, TypeD is connected to an AS200 machine. As you can see, the footprint is very compact. We place the jaws and robot hands on the top of the stalker to reduce the amount of the floor space. We also have safety features built in. When a person enters this color-coded area, the robot automatically stops or slows down. Normally, if the safety zone is large, you lose space for installing machines. But with RoboSync TypeD, the safety zone is designed to be as small as possible, allowing you to place more machines in the same area. This greatly improves productivity per square meters.
Oh, I see. So that's the great advantage, right? So in modern factories, space is everything, very important. So being able to improve both automation and the floor space efficiency is truly impressive. So also in your factory, you don't just need a space for machine. Of course, you also need some space for the people working,
Yeah.
right? And also place to store some material and many other, consideration. So that's why, compactness is really important factor.
Yeah.
Now let's move to the flexibility.
TypeD can automate multiple products. This is the robot hand stalker, this is jaw stalker, and this is the work gripper stalker. Below them is a drawer. The robot pulls it out automatically to load and unload the parts. Supported diameters range of workpieces is from 20 to 100 millimeters, so the system can handle a wide variety of sizes. In addition, another nice feature is that you can manually access the drawers from the opposite side of where the robot is working, even during automatic operation. This means you can remove finished parts or load new material without stopping the system.
And how long does it take
Yeah,
to switch from product A to product B?
about 10 minutes.
Wow, that's fast, actually. So it's amazing. So for me, for example, if I need to change the jaw, of course, we need a wrench
Yeah.
to, open the screws,
Yeah,
nuts,
correct. Yeah.
then take out, cleaning, then put back again.
Mhm.
Then we have to tighten again.
Mhm.
Then of course, we have to have some torque wrench. It takes time, and then we have to deal with also 3 jaws, right?
Yeah.
It's I think almost same time as a human
Yeah,
and the
yeah.
robot. It's amazing. Now let's move to the third feature we call easy to use. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Programming is often the hardest part of robot automation. It must be exhausting to reteach the robot every time you change the part type. But TypeD is built for high mix production. You simply enter the size, length, weight, and other part information. The robot automatically adjusts.
Wow, it's impressive. This is a really easy operation. So, could you tell me how they actually screen?
Sure, this is the pendant. You just entered required information here, and that's it. The stocker automatically adjusts its position based on what you input. So it's very simple.
Oh, I see. It is really helpful that the machine and the stocker adjust themselves just by entering
Yeah.
the part information.
Yes, correct.
The screen looks like, it is very simple and easy to use, right?
Yeah.
How do you clean up the chip tank?
Chip tank.
You see, in front of the machine, there are robot systems. Sometimes we need to clean up the chip tank. Then we have to pull out the chip tank.
Yeah.
So tell me
Yeah.
how to do that.
Take a look here.
Yeah.
Can you see the rollers under the robot unit? When you unlock it, the unit becomes movable, so you can easily slide it out of the way. That makes cleaning really easy.
It's convenient. You can move it, right? And after moving it, so how do you realign the unit?
There's a built-in camera here. It can read these markers and corrects the position automatically. Once you teach it the first time, you don't need to teach it again.
It's great, the robot unit, so doesn't require a precise positioning when you put it back. So rough positioning is good enough, right?
Yeah.
So that's really helpful.
Yeah.
Now we understand all 3 points: compact, flexible, and easy to use, right?
Yes.
So I have another question.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can the system be customized? Like adding washing, measuring, another device for extending unmanned operation?
Yes, absolutely.
Good.
TypeD is just one of the example, so we can customize it to match each customer's needs.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.
So our automation solution can be customized to match each customer's need. So we also include our original software feature as standard. So such as retract function, which safely returns the robot to its home position along the path close to the original path after the run. And jump function, which allows you to restart the program from the middle by checking the machine signals under part places in condition with the robot. This feature makes automation much safer and reliable for everyday operation. So, if you are interested in, please feel free to contact Nakamura-Tome or our distributors. If you enjoy this video, please don't forget to subscribe and give us high rating. See you, machinists.
See you. Bye.